You might be confused on what exactly digital marketing is
Boy, this sounds complicated.
and how it can help your business.
Well, now you've got my attention.
In simple terms, digital marketing is a form of marketing that uses online techniques to attract customers to your business. And it's pretty effective.
This is the easiest money I've ever made.
It's no mistake that you're still watching this video. Either you like the jokes,
Well, I'm funny how? I mean, funny like I'm a clown, I amuse you?
or your business could use more business.
Wait a minute, she might be onto something here.
Either way, we'll take it. There's several elements that go into making a digital marketing strategy work, like website design, SEO, keyword optimization, content.
You lost me, what?
Okay. I won't go into all the details, but I will tell you that we've been helping businesses such as yours for over 10 years who have grown their business significantly thanks to digital marketing. And that's all you really care about, am I right?
Show me the money!
I'm not going to strong arm you into working with us,
Either us or us.
but you've got our contact information here. If you'd like to reach out and get more information on how we can get you more calls and more business,
Boys, we're back in business!
and you can stay on autopilot. Bye.